we got the Granada home, so now we're going to give it a quick scrub. As you can tell, it really needs a really good scrubbing. Let's see how that does. Got the pressure washer out. This is in November, so it's pretty warm today. Don't have too many warm days for this, but you know, that side and the back here is what's really bad. This side over here isn't like too bad, but let's get to washing it. Let's see what it looks like. Well, the initial wash, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's going to take some more scrubbing, but it looks like at least 80% better than
80. I mean, it looks better than that.
maybe 90% better than what it did before. Some of that black stuff's really hard to come off. Pressure washer helped a whole lot. Even up on around the roof rails and stuff, it was. Scrub this side here just a little bit and hose it off, and that's going to be it for now.
Pardon me?